Is your ONN device looking blurry or stretched? Let's fix that screen resolution in just a few quick steps and get your display looking crisp and clean. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are showing you how to change the screen resolution on your ONN streaming device or TV. Whether you are aiming for full HD, 4K or just want the best fit for your setup, we have got you covered. Let's dive in. Method 1. Change screen resolution on ONN. Power on your ONN device. Make sure it's connected to your TV and running properly. Navigate to the gear icon on the home screen to access system settings. Go to Display and Sound. This section controls your video and audio output settings. Select Resolution. Here you will see the current resolution setting. Likely set to a lower default resolution. Turn off Automatic option. This setting may prevent manual changes. Disable it to unlock full control. Choose your preferred resolution you prefer depending upon the availability. Confirm and apply the changes. Your screen may flicker briefly as the new resolution takes effect. Wait for some time and check. You might need to adjust the resolution few times and check what works for you. Method 2. Check the power source. Now, if after changing the resolution you are having screen-related issues on your ONN device, then check the power source. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into the TV and the wall outlet. Test the outlet with another device to confirm it's working. If using a power strip or surge protector, try plugging the TV directly into the wall outlet. Method 3. Test different outlets. You can try plugging the power adapter into a different wall outlet to see if the current outlet is faulty. You can also use a different power cable and adapter to rule out any issues with the original power adapter. Method 4. Avoid the USB ports. The next thing you should ensure is that you are not using any USB port on your TV unless it is specifically designed to provide enough power for the ONN device. Using a TV's USB port for your ONN can be risky. Most TV USB ports don't provide the necessary power that the ONN needs to function properly. This can lead to interruptions, lagging, or even damage to your device. Method 5. Check the HDMI connection. For a stable and clear connection on your ONN device, check the HDMI connection between the device and your TV or the monitor you are using. Ensure the HDMI cable is firmly connected to both the ONN device and the TV or monitor's HDMI port, as a loose connection can lead to issues like this. Look over the HDMI cable for any visible signs of wear and tear such as fraying, kinks or bends. If you find any damage, consider replacing the cable with a new one. And that's how to change screen resolution on your ONN device and troubleshoot screen-related issues. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes that actually work. Still having issues or found another resolution? Share it in the comments. We read them all. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will see you in the next one.